Hey guys, welcome back. So look what we got. We got Grok in my Tesla. Finally, it has been a long time coming, and I am so glad that we finally got Grok, and we could finally use Grok. I could finally use Grok in my Tesla. It's a little bit late, so I just want to do this video before we go. Grok beta, you could see there's also this light sync feature, dashcam update, site info at arrival, audio settings update, and onboarding guide. Now there's a whole new onboarding guide that I think this is really useful for people like who don't know anything about Teslas and are just buying a new car. And I also got the minor fixes. I don't know what I got, so I got the 2025.26.4 and which came in minor fixes, but the most important is this one right there. So you see Grok. Now you can now talk to Grok and choose Grok's voice personality. You need premium connectivity or Wi-Fi connection to do this. So amazing, but right now it's still in beta, so I wish it had functions that can control the car, but it doesn't have that in a way. We're gonna see how that works. Light sync, experience light and sound and perfect harmony. So this whole lighting stuff is going to change when I sync with my music. Dashcam update now lets you adjust playback speed for more flexible viewing, whether the video fits the screen or keeps the original size. Nice. Site info at arrival. Oh, require valet service. Thank you. This is what I want, or the pay to park access, because many times you're going to a supercharger and you find out that you actually need to pay to park, or a valet service, or parking restrictions, access codes, level of flow information. I need this because I don't want to go to a supercharger place and start looking, especially in all those pay to park garages, start looking like it drives me nuts. You're looking for where the supercharger is and you don't know which floor it is. That I want. Audio settings update with personal equalizer. You can create and save multiple presets. Okay. Now I know onboarding guide, which is for new Tesla owners. So let's try out Grok. Before Grok, let's launch the dashcam viewer. I had it's telling me, okay, I had, all right, this looks like this was a dashcam, so you want it to fill the screen. Okay, oh my god, I love that. Okay, so look at this. Oh, you could have an expanded view, or this. Oh, I like this expanded view. Back, you could. Oh yes, this is what I want. I want the expanded view. Do not hide anything from me. The left pillar, the right pillar. Yes, this is what I want. A grid-like information. Exactly. This I want this. Okay, yes. This was before the update. So let's go back to this. This was after the update. Let me see. Oh yes, I like this. All right. So where is Grok? Let's see. Oh, it's right here. Oh, amazing. I think I have to sign into my Grok account. Hi Grok, how are you doing today?
Hey there, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? Ready to tackle whatever you throw my way?
I'm doing okay. I wanna head home now. It's really late. What kind of music do you suggest I listen to, Afrobeat wise?
Oh, it's getting late, huh? For Afrobeats, I'd suggest checking out artists like Burna Boy for some high energy vibes, with tracks like Yay or On the Low to keep you grooving on the drive home. If you want something a bit smoother, WizKid's Essence or Davido's Fall could be perfect to chill out to. Want me to dig into anything specific about these artists or songs?
Not right now. I feel a little bit tired, and I think I'm just gonna use full self-driving as I drive home. What do you think?
Full self-driving sounds like a smart move if you're feeling tired. It can handle the roads while you kick back. Just stay alert as always. Want some mellow Afrobeats to keep the vibe calm on your way home?
Yes.
Maybe something like Rema's Peace of Mind.
Oh, absolutely. Thank you very much. Okay. All right, I gotta sign in to Grok. Try another way. Okay. Oh yeah, it already told me to tap here to log in. I didn't know it was already logged in. Hey Grok, I didn't know you were already logged in. That was so easy.
Hey there. Yeah, it's pretty seamless, isn't it? I'm just chilling, ready to help with whatever you're curious about today. What's up?
I'm cool. Thank you very much. You can decline now.
Okay, I'll step back. Let me know if you need anything else.
So guys, that's amazing. That's Grok, and I would like to keep it right on my screen. That's amazing. Grok is amazing. Absolutely. Now the next thing we're gonna see is the car sync feature. Let's go to Toy Box. Okay. Okay, sync accent light with music while parked. Oh, my own personal nightclub wipe match album light. Absolutely. Oh, so let's do light sync. Experience light sync and sound in perfect harmony. Let's look for music. Let's listen to Arresta's Hot Body. Let's see what that's gonna do. Oh, look guys, look. Oh, this is amazing. Look at the lighting. Okay, let's try another song. Let's try Asha. This. Oh, look at the lighting. Now the next thing is supercharging. Let's look for supercharging, which is, let's see we want to go to a supercharger, and let's see. Yeah, so there's a supercharger right here for 27 kilowatts that's closer to us. Oh, now this is what I was looking for. Now you could see this on West 75th Street is telling me that you have to pay to park. Now that's all I have been asking for. Now look, thank you. This is what I've been looking for. It's telling me the site is located in a paid parking lot and it requires valet parking. This is all I wanted. This. Now let's look for one at my usual charging place at Atlantic, which kind of gives me a little bit of a headache. Like I was in American Dream Mall the other day in East Rutherford. Site located in paid parking lot. Okay, let's go back. Go back to American Dream Way. Thank you. Pay to park. Floor G. I was looking for this. I was like, where is this place? Now the other place that gives me a little big headache is the one close to where I live on Atlantic. Oh, this is amazing. 72 kilowatts. It's on floor P2. This is all I've been like. This, you go here and then you are looking for, where is this place? Where can I find this place? This is what I'm looking for. This, I love this. Now let's go to the next thing, which is onboarding guide. Oh, it actually shuts off everything. Explore. It takes about 10 minutes and you can end at any time. So you click start how to adjust your seat position. This, because for new Tesla owners that do not know what to do, how confused they are, this is so amazing. How to adjust the side mirrors, use the left scroll wheel. Yes. You have to adjust the left, how to adjust the right. Amazing. Push left to okay. Steering wheel position. Thank you. We never got all of this. Your settings, your this is for people that, and you just getting a Tesla, you don't know what to do. Yeah, navigation, charging location. Oh, this is amazing. And actually it dims everything. All the lights in the car goes away. Your status bar, everything that you see. Okay. Temperature control. And this is for demonstration. Oh, amazing. High low beam, the wipers, the horn, autopilot, voice commands. Amazing. Hazard warning right up here. I love this demonstration. Also in an emergency, it's on the roof. So cool, guys. So cool. So cool. Let me connect back to this Wi-Fi just because I'm on Wi-Fi right here. So let's make sure we connect back. So cool. So the other thing that's here, it's telling me it's the audio. Of course, accent lights, sync lights with music. Yep. Audio new. Tone, the balance. I don't like DJ commentary. Effects live one. Okay, allow mobile control, yes, of course. Show all of them, even though I don't use any of them. I only use Apple Music. So the preset, oh, you can create a preset. So this is right now, I'm gonna call this my standard, and you can change presets. Oh, I love it. Balance, yeah, you can. This is my preset right now. Sub, treble, my mid, this is my preset right now, and this is like set to standard. So very good work with this software update. Grok is what I'm very much interested in. I have that right here, and to activate it, you don't just need to do that. You can just long press this mic button. Let's see. Hey Grok, what is the best podcast to listen to right now that will calm me down as I drive?
Oh, you need something to soothe the soul while cruising, huh? I'd go with Get Sleepy. It's got super calming bedtime stories and meditations with Thomas Jones's voice. That's like a warm blanket, perfect for keeping you chill on the road without putting you to sleep. Want another option or something specific?
All right, now I'm just being inquisitive.
Fair enough. Just poking around for some chill vibes, huh? If you're curious for more, the mindful kind is another gem. Rochelle Cabell's got this soothing Aussie accent and shares quick mindfulness tips to keep you grounded while driving. Got something else you're itching to explore?
All right, now, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Stay chill on the road, all right? Let me know if you need more podcast picks or anything else. Safe travels.
So another thing I didn't discuss with Grok is that there are different assistants.
All right, let's talk pins.
So these are the different. There's upbeat female, calm male, soothing female, smooth male, lazy male. Let's hear what lazy male feels like. Also, it looks like the upbeat female is only what the assist. But Rex is a calm male, the soothing also. The calm male is Rex. So in the assistant, there's a language tutor, there's a therapist, a storyteller, kid story time, even meditation, Grok Doc.
Sounds like you're curious about what this assistant can do.
Oh,
I can indeed help with a bunch of stuff. As a language tutor, I can teach you phrases, grammar, or even chat in languages like Spanish, French, you name it. Super conversational, no boring textbooks. For therapy, I'm not a licensed pro, but I can be a friendly ear, offer some mindfulness tips, or talk you through a rough day. Storytelling? Oh, I can spin a tale, epic adventures, spooky vibes, or whatever mood you're feeling. Kids story time? Picture me doing funny voices for dragons or sneaky foxes to keep the little ones giggling. What's the vibe today? Want to try a language, a story, or something else?
I want to try a therapist. It's been a very long day and I'm just coming home. It's like past 1 a.m. in the morning. Tell me something to cool my mind off.
Sounds like you're running on empty after a brutal day. It's tough when you're dragging yourself home that late, and I hear how much you're craving some support. Trying therapy is a brave step. Let's make it doable. Since it's past 1 a.m., finding someone to connect with right now might be tricky, but you've got options. For immediate relief, a 24/7 crisis line like 988 can be a solid start if you're feeling overwhelmed. They're there to listen, no judgment. If you're looking for a therapist to work with ongoing, platforms like BetterHelp or TalkSpace let you start browsing licensed folks online, and you can message or schedule sessions that fit your life, especially helpful with late night hours like yours. CBT could be a good fit to tackle any spiraling thoughts from days like this. It's about catching those "I'm drowning" moments and grounding yourself with small, practical shifts. For tonight, try this to ease the weight. Take 5 slow breaths, focusing on the air moving in and out, and name one thing you're grateful you got through today. It's a quick mindfulness trick to anchor you. What's one thing that's been circling in your head from this long day?
I've just been losing focus and been in and out as I was driving home, but I've gotten home now and I'm just about to leave the car.
Focusing on the air moving in and out, like you mentioned while driving home. Sounds like your mind's been racing, maybe replaying the day or stuck on something heavy. That's a lot to carry, especially at this hour. Let's try to settle it a bit. Name one thing from today that's still looping in your thoughts. It can help to pin it down. What's that one?
So guys, right now Grok is just talking. As I was saying, it's not really doing anything, like taking actions, which is what we actually want to see Grok do. I can't wait to see all this. Right now is in beta. I can't wait to see everything that's gonna do. I think that it has a future, has a very, very bright future. So this software update 2025.26.4 software update is amazing. I can't wait to see them build on Grok and let it have integration with the car, like, hey, turn up the music, turn up the lights, decrease this, play this music, navigate me here, even if you can speak to, like, you know, more integration with the car. I can't wait to see what it's going to do. But in the meanwhile, this is a very wonderful software update and I can't wait to keep trying it out. It's still a gimmick kind of, but I can't wait to keep trying it out. But in the meanwhile, see you guys in the next one. More Tesla content, please subscribe, like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more Tesla content. Click the notification bell to see me post more items. If you want to buy a Tesla, my referral link is right there. Take advantage of the $7,500 credit that's going away in September. Okay, order yourself a Tesla using my referral credit, get 3 months of full self-driving and other Tesla perks. See you guys in the next one, guys. It's been a real peace.